Hello, this is today the 2022 and April 28th, Thursday afternoon. Today I'm going to show you um, how I made the markup of Kivy language using Emacs. This is one of the exercise that I did from learning Kivy, Python Kivy. That are simple instructions. Um, I changed some of the wordings here from the lecture um, number 38 from the Kodami about Kivy, and I urge you to learn from that website how to write the Kivy using Kivy language and Python. Now, look at the Kivy file. There's no markup though, so to the best of time I want to, okay, I would highlight it in bold color images that I got a bold color. Because of typing this markup is not very convenient, okay. And practice change the word, I should italic. I highlight it using Emacs and then I bind it to Control C, Control M, and then I the change, and now we see how got it. Now we have the bold type here. We got a bold type here, although not very clear, and we got italic here. Okay. Now how about coloring? It's a bit more difficult. Suppose I don't want yellow, I want to change the markup here color. I change to red. I bind it to Control C, and then I type in red, and automatically change the red code. And I'll check it. Yeah, the word of time becomes red. If I press it, it comes blue. Okay, now after the demonstration, let's see how I did it. Markup. C, Control M, and I can find that actually use K markup. In fact, very simple. First of all, I would when I highlight, then in Emacs this is represented by mark and point, and I kill the whole region, and that depends on the character code. Then I can have the left part and the right part, and then I kill everything, and then I paste for left and right. So it's very simple. So to show the flexibility of Emacs, if you use it to edit some programs with a special way of markup, you can do just make a little code in Emacs and can do the thing that you want. For coloring is more difficult, and it's not easy to demonstrate here. I try because it takes some time. However, a subroutine here is called K, and that is more complicated because I have to test whether it is the background color, foreground color, outline color, RGBA, a track with a slider of a KV, we have a slider and the simply text markup that is permanent. And for text markup, we use the hex code, and if for other, we use the decimal code. So it's more difficult. And for now, this is demonstration. Suppose here the label, I get a text here, I get a color, a green color. Then it is in the deck code, deck mode, but here it's in the hex code. So that whole line will become green. Okay, that is a simple demonstration to defend myself why I do use Emacs for editing code for programming, especially Python and Kivy, because that I can manipulate the editor to do whatever thing that I want, rather than remembering or by some typing. Because if you type this, I think it's not very easy. Using um, touch typing, I could use my little finger quite a lot, and that is a bit painful. So why not? We just using Emacs. Yeah, next time I can remove this by one keystroke, but I would again do some programming on that. At the time being, I can just remove it first by hand and then do the markup again. And I can change italics. Now become italics. Okay. Again, show it. Yeah, it become italics now. Okay, that's it for today, and hope to talk to you again some days later. Have a nice day. And a nice, I know not a weekend, but have a nice day.